In Excel, it is very common to use the if function to help us quickly differentiate some data by adding criteria in our spreadsheet. For example, let's create an if statement that determines if the quiz score is greater than 85. This is the basic logic test, and if the value satisfies, let's just print the word good. And if the value doesn't satisfy, let's print the word not good. This is the basic format for the if function. Hit enter. Copy this down to the end. So now it shows the results. Even though there's a lot of data and numbers here, we can just easily tell if the score is good or not. But just remember that the logical test here in the if function can be very complex as you want it to be, and you can use many things for the input value of true or false. It is very flexible when using the if function. The next part in this video is to introduce the IFERROR function. The IFERROR function can be used to clean up some weird data in the spreadsheet. For example, I have a formula here to calculate the column B divided by column C, which means the total estimated salaries divided by the number of employees in each department to get the salary for each person. The formula works fine, but you can see when the number of employees is input 0, we get the divided by 0 error. So now we can just use the IFERROR function to clean up this table. This is what we will do. So we just add IFERROR in front of this formula, and if there is an error, let's just say not applicable instead. And this is the basic format. Hit enter. Copy this down to the end. So now we can see the divided by 0 error has been corrected for both of these. And when we see not applicable, we can just go back to check. To summarize, if we want to remove those errors from our spreadsheet, we can just use the IFERROR function.